In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to be able to brand your shared pitch decks using Orange Docs. First thing you want to do is go to sign in with your Orange Docs account. Then go to shared files and find your pitch deck that you've already shared. We have a couple tutorials showing you how to be able to share pitch decks either securely or in a track-only fashion. Next thing you want to do is preview what your pitch deck is going to look like. By default, you'll see the Orange Docs branding, logo, and color scheme. Not super professional sharing your pitch deck branded as another company. So the next thing we want to do is change that branding. Go to the branding app, and we're going to want to select a few different features here. First, let's choose our logo. Let's choose the demo company here, Morel, and confirm that. Next, we're going to want to use a nice color scheme that matches our own for our brand. And we have a variety of different options as well. If we're sharing something like a data room, we have a bunch of files, or maybe even supporting files or the pitch deck, and you can go ahead and change some of that other information here as well. Finally, if our pitch deck has embedded links, so these are links that are within the pitch deck that go to an external site, maybe to some supporting material, you can have that requested to be enabled as well. Finally, there is a link behind the website. So if we want to add our website, so someone can simply click the logo and go right to our website and review the website as well, we can do that here too. We'll save that. And now our viewer should be branded with our logo and color scheme for our demo company Morel. It's much more professional sharing it this way. If you say share it using Google Drive, it's going to show obviously Google, not your own company, not super professional. Also, one of the things to remember as well is that if you are sharing a file with Google Drive, Google potentially exposes the other people that you shared it with. If two investors or more are looking at the pitch deck at exactly the same time, their names are being shown in the upper right corner. Orange Docs keeps that information confidential and doesn't show it, as you can see here. And that is how you brand a shared pitch deck using Orange Docs.